Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Irsyad Briandito. I'm student in Economic Education in Faculty of Economics, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. For the first, in my honors, Mr. Dr. Suparno, SPD MPD, and Mrs. Fitra Dila Lestari, SPD MPD. I will present my research results, and the title is The Influence of Economics Learning Experience on SME Business Development Mediated by Creativity. Okay, background of the research. Currently, MSME are in a positive trend with their numbers continuing to increase every year. This positive trend will have a good impact on the Indonesian economy. Based on data from the Ministry of Cooperative and SMEs, the contribution of MSME to national GDP is 60%. This shows that MSMEs in Indonesia have great potential to be developed so that they can contribute even more to the economy. The Ministry of Cooperative noted that the number of micro, small, and medium enterprises reached 65 million units in 2019. This number increased by 2% compared to 2018, which amount to 65 million units. This number reached 90.90% of the total business in Indonesia. Meanwhile, large-scale business only amounted to 5,000 units, or the equivalent of 0.01%. In detail, as many as 64 million units are micro business. The proportion is 1.22% of the total micro, small, and medium enterprises in the country. According to Inggarwati and Kaudin, business development can be measured by looking at sales growth, increase in employees, increase in profit, and increase in assets value. The following is a graph of medium, small, and micro enterprises income levels in Indonesia. It can be seen from the picture above that the income level of medium, micro, small, medium enterprises in Indonesia has not increased significantly. The increase each year is only a slight increase and tends to decrease. And formulation of the problem is: 1. What is an overview of the economics learning experience, creativity, and business development of medium, small, and micro enterprises at the ICRAF 2023 exhibition? Next, 2. Does the experience of studying economics influence the development of medium, small, and micro enterprises business? And 3. Does the experience of learning economics affects creativity? 4. Does creativity influence the development of medium, small, micro enterprises business? And 5. Does the experience of learning economics influence the development of medium, small enterprises business mediated by creativity? And research purpose is to get an overview of the economic learning experience, creativity, and business development of medium, small, and micro enterprises at the ICRAF 2023 exhibition. To determine the influence of economics learning experience on medium, small, micro enterprises business development. And 3, to determine the influence of economics learning experience on creativity. 4, to determine the influence of creativity on medium, small enterprises business development. And the last 5 is to determine the influence of economics learning experiences on the development business mediated by creativity. Benefit of research. Theoretical benefit. It is hoped that the research result will be useful for readers, especially medium, small, and micro enterprises player, in obtaining information, references, and strategies for developing their business, helping medium, small enterprise player to know that education has an influence on the development of their business. This research discusses economics learning experience and creativity. And for the practical benefit, it is hoped that the rich result will be used as input in educating the importance of economics learning experience. Apart from that, this research is utilized by related parties, namely the government, bank, the community in an effort to increase business development. And for the first is theoretical review. Business development is understanding with business development strategy and dimension of business development. And 2 is experience learning economics is understanding and learning experience theory and dimension of learning experience. And creativity is theory of the creativity and dimension of creativity. Relevant research for the first is Galih Rakasiwi, in title is Pengaruh Pengalaman Belajar Ekonomi dan Keterampilan Kewirausahaan terhadap Keberhasilan UMKM di Kota Bekasi 2023. The research results show that the economics learning experience has a positive influence of 40% on the success of medium small enterprises and a positive influence of 91% on entrepreneurial skills. Apart from that, entrepreneurial skills have a positive influence of 56% on the success of medium small enterprises. And for the second is Denis Nurfamiliana. The title is Pengaruh Modal, Tenaga Kerja, dan Pengalaman Belajar Ekonomi terhadap Pengembangan Usaha di UMKM Kota Bekasi. Based on the analysis carried out, the research results show that the variable capital, labor, and economic learning experience have an indirect influence on the development of medium small enterprises business. And this framework of the thinking, there are 3 variables examined in this research, namely economics learning experience is X variable, and business development is variable Y, and creativity is variable Z. Based on the description that has been explained, these 3 variables can be described in this research framework and paradigms as follows. And my research hypothesis is the experience of learning economics has a positive and significant effect on the development business is first hypothesis. To the experience of learning economics has a positive and significant effect on creativity is the second hypothesis. And for the third hypothesis is creativity has a positive and significant effect on medium small enterprises business development. And for the fourth, economics learning experience has a positive and significant effects on business development, which is mediated by creativity. And my research object and subject is the research object in this study are economics learning experience, business development, and creativity. The subject is this research are handicraft, medium, small enterprises business actor registered at the ICRAFT 2023 exhibition, which is are the started as the unit of analysis. The research was carried out by observing and involving researchers in direct visit to craftsmen at the ICRAFT 2023 exhibition. The time for carry out the research was carried out from January to February 2024 because it adjusted the research time and the time of the ICRAFT 2023 committee. The reason why researchers choose this exhibition is because the ICRAFT exhibition aims to increase business development in medium small enterprises. The ICRAFT exhibition present handicraft medium small enterprises such as household decoration, craft, traditional handicraft is batik, weaving, songket, and fashion. Apart from that, several assisted by BUMN were also present at the exhibition. Therefore, researchers want to see how the business of development after the ICRAFT 2023 exhibition. This research methodology, my research design is this research use quantitative research method, and the population in this research is medium small enterprises business actors who are included in the ICRAFT 2023 exhibition participant. Data recorded by participant at the ICRAFT 2023 exhibition is 142 medium small enterprises actors, and the sample is use the saturated sample with the non-probability sampling, and the sample is 142 sample. And data collection technique, my data collection in this research use a survey method, namely the primary data collection method, or the method of collecting data directly from research subjects. This research is used on business research at ICRAFT 2023 exhibition. Opinions and view of person or group regarding something in question on a Likert scale of 1 to 5, namely 1 is strongly disagree, 2 disagree, 3 doubtful, 4 agree, and 5 strongly agree. And data analysis technique, I use the structural equation modeling with partial least square. With the app is Smart PLS 4.0, 4.0, and 2 I use outer model and inner model, and for the indirect effect I use the statistic Upsilon statistic. Okay, and this is my research results. This is a respondent demographic based on the product category, and the biggest one is batik. And this is my demographic respondent based on length of business, and the biggest is lebih dari 24 bulan. And the respondent based on monthly income is the bigger is 11 million to 20 million rupiah. Is this percentage is 57%. And this is cross tabulation of economics learning experience. This is cross tabulation of creativity, and this is cross tabulation of business development. Okay, this is my original model before I modified it. This is the outer model, and this is my model after I modified with the delete something indicator. And indicator I delete is PBA1, PBA4, PBA8, KRE2, KRE4, KRE2, and PU2 and PO4 are removed from the research model diagram. This is my first test is convergent validity test. It can be seen that the FPA value for the economics learning experience variable is 0.626, creativity is 0.585, and business development is 0.565. This value is greater than 0.050, so it can be concluded that all indicators in this research are valid or meet the requirement for good convergent validity. And for the second is discriminant validity for Naleker test. It can be seen that the value in the diagonal axis in the square root value of AVE, the square root of AVE for the creativity variable is 0.0765, which is greater than the correlation value of the variables. Likewise, the square root for the economics learning experience variable is 0.791. Business development is 0.751, and which is the greater than the correlation value between other variables. So the discriminant validity requirement have been fulfilled. And for the next is discriminant validity with HTMT. It can be seen value for each pair of variable is 0.90. So the discriminant validity of the HTMT value has been fulfilled. And this is reliability test. It can be seen that the Cronbach alpha value for all variables in this study is above 0.7. The composite reliability value for all variable is also above 0.7. So it can be concluded that each indicator that measures a variable is consistent reliability in measuring that variable. And for the next is multicollinearity test. It can be explained that all the variable indicators of creativity, economics learning, and business development have a value is 100 and 164. So there is no multicollinearity problem in the research model. Okay, for the next is R-square test. First, the ability of the economics learning experience variable to explain creativity is 0.39090 or 39.9%, which is manage the weak category. The economics learning experience variable influence creativity by 39.9%, and the remaining 60.1% is influenced by other variable outside the research. And for the second is the ability of the economics learning experience and creativity variables to explain business development, including the weak category. And this is F-square test. The influence of creativity on business development is 0.2040, including the medium influence category. The effect of economics learning experience on creativity is 0.6064, and which is included in the large influence category. And the influence of entrepreneur orientation on business development is 0.112, including in the small influence category. And this is F square test with epsilon statistic. It can be concluded that the role of creativity in mediating the indirect influence of economic learning experience on business development includes a moderate influence. And this is PET coefficient, and this is specific indirect effect. And the conclusion is economics learning experience has a positive effect on the business development of medium small enterprises participant in ICRAF. Positive PET coefficient value with test statistic and P value, so H1 is accepted. Hypothesis 1 is accepted. And 2, economics learning experience has a positive effect on creativity. A positive PET coefficient value and the statistic and P value is, so hypothesis 2 is accepted. And creativity has a positive effect on the business development of medium small enterprise participant in ICRAF. And a positive PET coefficient, test statistic, and P value. So hypothesis 3 is accepted, and the experience of learning economics has a positive effect on the development of ICRAF participant with the mediation of creativity. This is a positive PET coefficient value and test statistic and P value. So hypothesis 4 is accepted. And the influence of economics learning experience of medium small enterprise business development based on the research results admitted to having carried out marketing with several parties such as reseller. And the conclusion is the level of economics learning experience of medium small enterprises actors who take part in the ICRAF exhibition is on average measured to be high. Respondent had the highest response to the indicator of daring to take risky action, while the indicator with the lowest response was learning from specific experience and empirical data. The level of creativity of medium small enterprises player who take part in the ICRAF exhibition is on average measured to be high. Response had the highest responded to the indicator of being able to innovate the latest in business activities, while the indicator with the lowest response was having a top priority in running a business. The level of business development medium small enterprise players who take part in the ICRAF exhibition is on average measured to be high, and the highest response from respondent was on the business development strategy indicator, while the indicator with the lowest response was capital capability. For the second, there is a significant direct influence of economics learning experience on the business development of medium small enterprise participant in ICRAF of 0.3011. This influence can be interpreted, namely that the higher the level of economics learning experience and the higher the level of business development. And for the third, there is a significant direct influence of economics learning experience on creativity of 0.6022. This influence can be interpreted, namely the higher the level of economics learning experience and will be higher the level of creativity. And for the fourth, there is a significant direct influence of creativity on business development of 0.45. This influence can be interpreted, namely the higher the level of creativity, the higher the level of business development, and there is a significant value of economics learning experience on business development with creativity as mediating variable at 0.20200 47, this effect can be interpreted as meaning that the higher the level of economics learning experience, the greater the level of creativity that will increase business development. And thank you for your attention. I close this presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.